Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox. This version of the app is no longer available in your region. So if you're getting this error message, it's not a problem at all. What you can do is just uninstall the Roblox application, then go onto Google, and then you want to search for Roblox VNG, and then hit search, and you want to access this second link, Roblox VNG. Okay, so click onto that, and this will allow you to begin playing Roblox again once you've installed the Roblox VNG. So I need to rotate my phone. Okay, so as you can see there, it's available on Google Play and App Store, so whether you're on Android or iPhone, you can use it, and you can go ahead and translate this page, but all you need to do is click on the green button to go ahead and download the Roblox VNG, and then you should be back up and running playing Roblox once you download the app, install it, and then open it up and start playing. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.